Today we're going to be harvesting a bunch of bananas. A banana tree will throw off a bunch after about 45 leaves. Now a banana tree will never grow another bunch, so we're going to actually chop the whole tree down to harvest this bunch, and they'll grow the next generation by PUPS, these little plants right under the banana tree. This is about 50 pounds of fresh bananas. We're gonna cut the banana tree into little pieces. Use it as mulch underneath. This will keep down weeds and help feed the next generation. Here are the young pups for the next generation of bananas to come up and replace the banana we just harvested. Bananas really like water, sun, and a lot of food. They're heavy feeders. So here at the bottom of the hill, with all this irrigated slope, we're going to be collecting that nutrition, we're going to be collecting that fertility and collecting that water, and really taking advantage of the sun to create a beautiful banana surface right in this area. Woo! In a couple years, this will be our new banana forest.
Bananas!